Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel VBA code tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to convert or change the text values to a upper, lower and proper case on an Excel sheet using an option button. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output. Make sure when you are selecting these radio buttons, we are not in the design mode. So let's come out from the design mode. I have unselected that one. Now when I click uppercase, notice here we got all the values is converted into uppercase. When I click proper case, it's proper case. Proper case means the first letter of the every word will be the capital. Is a proper case. If I select lowercase, all the letters will be lowercase. Uppercase, proper case, lowercase.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
Notice on my Excel sheet contains some names in column A. Now my aim is I will add some option buttons. So when a user clicks any particular option button, for example, that option button name is a lowercase. If the user select that option button, I want to convert that option button value, which is a lowercase if it's lowercase. If it's uppercase, I want to convert this into uppercase. The same thing, if the user selects the proper case of the radio button, I want to convert these all names into a proper case. So for that, I am using the VBA code. So let's start the tutorial. In order to create a VBA application, go to developer. Notice in the controls there is an insert controls options here. Click that one. And also if you notice in the insert controls there are two types of controls, form controls and ActiveX controls. For this example, I am taking the ActiveX controls is the option button. I am adding here first option button, Control C, Control V. For the second option button, Control V, this is the third option button. Now I am changing the label for these option buttons. Notice, go to properties, you can click the property here. Option properties is a lower case, and the second option button, option button 2 is the uppercase. Uppercase, and the third option button is proper case. Now after that, now select the lowercase. Notice when you want to select the controls, you need to you should be in the design mode. Double click the radio button control, which is the option button. Dim cell as range, and after that, here I am adding for each cell in sheet 1. In sheet 1 dot range, I am adding the range. What is the range here? A1 to A10. So let's add A1 colon A10. This is the range. After that, I am closing the if for each loop, which is next. Now if condition, if option button 1 dot value is equals to true, option is equals to true, option value is true, then let's close this and if cell value is equals to lowercase l case cell dot value. That's it. Now again switch over, or you can select here the option button 2 for the click event. Instead of writing the same code, let's copy this one and paste here. Wherever the same code is the same, but I'm changing the control IDs. Option 1 here is option 2, and here I'm adding uppercase. Option 2 is the uppercase. Now the third one, option 3 dot click, copy the same code here, but here we need to change. We don't have any functions or methods like proper, like we have the lowercase, uppercase, but for the proper we should have the worksheet function dot proper, proper method cell dot value. That's it. Now let's check the final output. Make sure when you're selecting these radio buttons, we are not in the design mode. So let's come out from the design mode. I have unselected that one. Now when I click uppercase, notice here we got all the values is converted into uppercase. When I click proper case, it's proper case. Proper case means the first letter of the every word will be the capital. Is a proper case. If I select lowercase, all the letters will be lowercase. Uppercase, proper case, lowercase. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to convert the uppercase, lowercase and a proper case from an Excel sheet cells using a VBA code with the option buttons. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.